Hey everyone, Mr. Tass here. I got a quick follow up on my Meta headliner glasses. So, as you know, I just recently did a video on these guys, and I haven't been super impressed with them. They're nice, but you don't necessarily need to get a pair if you're not in the market for a pair. But I went on a trip this weekend, and I did find I use them in very specific instances, and I have some tips that I just wanted to pass along. The main thing that I found is I found them very useful when I was driving in the car. So usually I don't wear glasses, but if I do, it's mostly if I'm going to drive in the car because it's very minor script. And so it was nice to have the Bluetooth capability and the voice to talk to if I needed to while I'm driving to ask questions or things that way. Now I tried again using Meta AI's built-in software. I don't like it. It doesn't connect to the internet well. It doesn't go out and search information. It's really poorly implemented for anything outside of what the glasses can do. So I use the Meta Voice for taking pictures. I use it for recording video and just basic things that way. But what I found, a nice hack and trick to it, is connect up Gemini with your Google, and I use Android, or use Siri, and then use that AI. So instead of saying, hey Meta for something, I say, hey Google and search, and the voice prompt it gives back, it goes out, it does proper searches. So I found Gemini to be much more useful as a voice information broker and assistant than I did Meta's AI. But Meta's AI works well for the things you need to control the glasses themselves. But I just wanted to pass along that information. I am using them regularly, but in these specific instances and purposes. The camera and the video, they're nice, they're great, but driving in a car works well for taking a call, and then using the Google Gemini as my link up in search, and also setting reminders and different things that way. So, till next time, I hope that helps. Oh, and by the way, new 3D printer right over there. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon 299 is a beast, and I'll have a video that's out for that just recently if you're in the market for 3D printers. Till next time.